Please refer to the specific model after it has been disassembled. If the car key is out of power, you can change it yourself, saving money and time. Prepare a set of small sticks and a small screwdriver for replacement. Avoid damaging the car key during the process. Button to open the car key. Find the groove on the bottom of the back of the car key. Pry gently. Open the back cover. Gently detach the battery. The cover is back to the back panel. Buckle back the case. Retrieve the mechanical key again. In this way, the key was resurrected with full blood.